Afghanistan, the land of the Afghans, once ruled by Mauryans, the Alexander the Great, and now invaded by the modern age terrorists known as Talibans. Talibans who were settling into the northeast of Afghanistan for the last 2 decades, and now they've come prepared to settle for good. Now, Taliban have a very good history of not being very humane friendly due to their vain approach to life and of the surrounding communities. Their control over Afghanistan is not just putting the lives of Afghans at danger, but it is actually a global threat. The fundamentals of these religious hooligans is to imply and preach their religious belief using the force of weapons and terror. They neglect 21st century's human rights, and in return, they desire a global dictatorship under their caliphate. Currently, Islam being the second largest religion in the world with a population of over 1.91 billion, has given these terrorists a perfect shelter from the outside world. Now, the tragedy of the time is that these hate preachers are using religions as a shield to protect themselves and their hidden agendas. Their camouflaging skills are remarkable. How did they do it? With their religiosity and their appearance, tricks Muslims into believing that Talibans are one of their brothers. What's more is that this deceitful approach makes them notable and highly esteemed in the Muslim community. Now, what you're soon to see once this integration completes is that a Muslim will equal to a terrorist. You would ask yourself this question: how did a practitioner of a religion of peace become a terrorist? And you will be boggled by this question by yourself as well. Don't be surprised by this, because this is not the first time this has happened. In the past, terrorists such as Ku Klux Klan, as known as KKK, were right-wing extremists who didn't welcome African Americans alongside with Jews, immigrants, leftists, homosexual, Muslims, and even atheists. And to an extent that they became proficient in hanging humans without a trial. Then in 2013, you have the Burmese monks who participated in the global genocide to wipe out Muslims from Burma. From these case studies, you'll be able to notice a pattern among these terrorists. All terrorist groups were practicing a religion, and all of these were extremists who believed that they were the best human beings living on this planet Earth, and they disdained the rest. In simple words, they want you to become like one of them or you shall perish. Now, going back to Afghanistan, Taliban have claimed that they've updated their policies in regards to women and civil rights. But ask yourself, how much of that could be true? Are they making such an attempt in order to win the trust, the faith, the hearts of the Muslims? And is their comeback and current existence in the lands of Afghanistan actually beneficial or healthy for our planet Earth? I will not answer these questions, but rather I would encourage you to ponder and ask these questions to yourself, and use the ability of your heart to be the judge of yourself. So that was me today in regards to the current situation taking place in Afghanistan and my viewpoints on it. If you have anything to share, drop a comment in the comment box below and share this to who you can. Thank you for watching. That was me today, Harry Speaks, and I'll see you in the next show.